Hello everyone, I'm Sonali Gupta. Today I'm going to present you the Business Insight 360 project that I will craft it for the AtliQ hardware. Let's move further. This is the overview of the content. Like first we talk about company overview, then business model, problem statement, objective, data description, dashboard overview, and then dashboard itself, then insights and the recommendation. First, we talk about the company overview. AtliQ Hardware is a hardware company that sells their hardware products into a multiple company countries and span in all over the world. So it is specialized in selling mouse, printer, PCs, etc. And their primary customer is like Chroma, Amazon, Flipkart, and from there these stores sales their product to the consumers. Consumers like the end users like us. So let's move to the business model of the AtliQ hardware. So AtliQ hardware has basically a three main channels. Retailer consists of a Chroma and Amazon. AtliQ sells their products to these stores, and from these stores they sell the products to the end consumers like us. And then AtliQ hardware has some direct stores, their own stores like AtliQ e-stores and AtliQ exclusive. From these stores they sell the products to the consumers. And the third one is a distributor. Like some countries like North Korea, China, we can't sell our products directly to the end customers. So through these distributors channel like Neptune, they sells the products to the local markets, and from these local markets it will be accessible to the end consumers. Let's go further and understand the problem statement. So AtliQ is facing a lot of issues, like they are still rely on the Excel files, but their business is growing vastly, so it not good for their analysis purpose, and Excel is not a effective way. So they want to hire a data analytics team. So the next problem they are facing is because of these Excel reports and the decision based on their survey and intuition, they face a huge loss in the Latin America region due to a lack of analysis. And the third one is the financial loss they already beared, so they don't want to repeat these mistakes. So that's why they want to hire the data analytics team, so they can provide the insights to various departments to improve their sales and to incur the losses, and provides the meaningful ways how they can do and enhance the transparency and the data driven decision making for a more accurate decisions. Let's talk about the data that we are used in this project. So basically the two main datas we are used, like first is the AtliQ internal database. First we have a two database, GDB041 and GDB056. We imported these database from SQL to the Power BI and performed some ETL processes and created some measures, DAX measures, and calculated column for making our data useful and for analysis purposes. And the second one is some external files from Excel we are used, like market share, operational expense, and the target data. In this project we have only for the year 2022, and the whole data we use in this uh, analysis is from 2018 to 2022. And the AtliQ financial year started from September till August. Every company has a different financial year, so AtliQ has this financial year. Let's talk about the dashboard overview. So in the dashboard I will prepare the five main views. First is the financial view that provides the financial performance across the markets and the P&L statement. Second one is a sales view that analyze the performance of the customers over a key matrix. And the third one is a market view that focus on primarily on the product performance. And the fourth one is a supply chain view that evaluate the forecast accuracy. And the fifth one is the executive view for the higher level authorities like CTO, CXOs, etc. And we talk about the data model. So the data model used in this project is a snowflake schema. In this, the fact table we are seen in the middle, and that was connected to the dimension table, and that further connected with some other dimension tables. Let's further go to the dashboard. and we explore our data. This is the homepage of our dashboard. From here we can go to the directly to the finance, sales, marketing, supply chain and the executive view. And I have also created some informations button for generic information and the support also. First we go to the finance view and see like how the finance data is helpful for us. Like if we, these are the in top button, we are able to see the filters that have, and this view are going to show the data for LY means the last year, and the target means the target data we have only for a 2022. Like we are just selecting a 2021, so it's showing a 2021 and other data are not able to see. If we click on 2022, then we are able to see because we have a targeted data for a 2022. And if we talk about this chart, this is the area chart that provide the net sales performance over a time. Like if comparison to a last year, selection is means the current year. Like if we selected a 2021, so it provides the 2021 data selection for that particular year, and BM means the last year and the targeted. If we see this area chart, we see that the AtliQ are not going good in 2020 in comparison to the last year. The net sales are not good. This is because of during COVID hit this time, so this may be a reason for it. And this is the P&L statement that provides the generic overview of all the data uh, related to the gross sales, net sales, deduction, and all these things that we are going to do. And if we click on these are the top and the bottom of the products. Like this matrix shows the region wise top and bottom products, and these are shows a segment wise. If we see that the net sales are doing good comparison to a last year, so it's 823.85 million rupees. But if we see the gross margin percentage is not good in comparison to last year because of some deduction and some discounts maybe. Let's go to the another view, that is the sales view. We can click over it and we see this is the scatter bubble chart. We are seeing the performance metrics of all the countries, regions, and if we drill through, then it will further provides the details of some stores. Some, like if the data it shows from gross margin percentage to the net sales. In this we are able to see that some regions are not doing good, they are in this area. We try to move and talk with the people sitting there and talk with them like what is happening there, we want to improve the performance. So we try to move all these bubbles in this area. So it will, it if they present in this area, that means the gross margin percent and the net sale is good, so it will good for the company. And this is the customer performance, and if we over there, so it will provide the tool tips for the net sale and the gross margin percentage. Like Amazon gross margin percentage is good, but net sale is not that much good. All these things we are able to see. And this is the product wise performance. We are able to see like storage, networking, and these are the two donut charts I have created, and this shows the total post and the pre-invoice deduction, and in green color it shows the net sales, and it further divided into the net sales into the total COGS and the cross margin. COGS is nothing but a cost of a goods sold. That was the total of a manufacturing cost, other cost, and the freight cost. If we see, like if we click over the Amazon, so it will filter, provides the interactive data for Amazon only. We see like gross margin for Amazon is 38.59, it's contribute 35.4%. So these are all analysis and insights we can check from it. Then move further to the marketing view. It is similar to the sales view, but the main focus is on the product performance. Like if we see that in the product performance, networking is not notebook segment is not performing that much good. So what is the reason behind it? In which area they are not doing good? So we have to talk with the country's respective person for asking like what is the reason behind it, why they are not performing good, what is the reason. So we have to analyze that particular segment and what the improvement area we have to do so we can improve the performance, all these things. And this matrix provide the region, market, and customer performance according to the region wise. This shows that the net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit, and the net profit percentage data. This again, I have created the toggle button. Right now it shows the net profit percentage versus net sales. If we click over gross margin percent, that shows the gross margin percent data over the net sales. In this, we are able to see the notebook uh, and accessories are presented here in comparison to the last year. And this is the donut chart that provides the total costs and the gross margin data that further divided into the we are able to see the waterfall chart, like in which area they are doing good and in which area they are not doing good. So these are the operational expense and the net profit percentages are not good that much in this area. Let's move further to the supply chain view. And for the supply chain, the three main KPIs is more important, is the forecast accuracy, net error, and the absolute error. Forecast accuracy and the net error. Like if we have a data, if we selected the data for a current year, like net error should, how much it will be minimum that it will be a good. Like if we are able to see the filter wise, like if we select the Amazon from here. So in this in 2021 we are able to see that the Amazon is at risk, like OOS means the out of stock, and they have not that much products in their uh, warehouses, so that is not good. So we have to maintain um, the data and accuracy in that. So these are on the level, like EI represent the excess inventory and OOS represent the out of stock. And here we are able to see the bar chart with the line that shows the net error, forecast accuracy percentage, and the forecast accuracy percentage last year. So in 2021 it's again dropping. It's because of a COVID. The forecast is not good because the pupils are not preferred to going outside of their home. So this is majorly a reason behind the lacking of here. And this is the key metrics by a product we are able to see, like in which segments how much the net error is and how they are performing in the forecast. Let's move further to the executive view. So this is the executive view for the senior level purpose. So these are the top bar charts. This shows the revenue by division data, like which division are performing good. So if we see like P&A, peripheral and accessories are performing excellent, like it contribute half of the percentage for the data. And the next one is the revenue by channel, which channel is doing providing more business for the AtliQ. And we are able to see like retailer of absolutely, like retailer like e-commerce stores, Amazon and Flipkarts are more accessible, so these are performing good. And this is the yearly trends by revenue and gross margin percentage we are seeing. And these are the metrics that provide the top 5 customers by revenue and the top 5 products by revenue. For the top 5, the top product is AQ quality. And if we see how these are all the products: Sage, Flipkart, Amazon, AtliQ store, AtliQ exclusive are doing good by the revenue. These in this area, ribbon chart, we are able to see the market trends of the companies like AtliQ, BP, Dell. We have to focus on AtliQ. Like here the AtliQ is not doing good, but after 2021 then to the 2022 they are started growing rapidly, so it is good for the company. They grasping the market, by analyzing the data and contributing more. So, and this is the key insights about the subzones, like which zones are doing how much good, and these are the all the KPIs that will be good for the forecast accuracy. Again, if we these are all about the dashboard. This is the insights we are given to the project. Right now we are discussing all about the dashboard and their metrics, and from insights we can say that the AtliQ sales is going good, but their net sales is falling down in comparison to the 2022 target. If we talk about the net sale performance, then the net sale performance is down in 2022 comparison to the last year, declining in the networking segment, and the USA segment is also loss reported. Loss we are reported in that, so we need to evaluate the strategy and what is the reason behind it. All these things we have to. And the Amazon performance, Amazon is the big customer for the AtliQ, but they generated the high revenue, but they struggle with the gross margin and the net profit percentage in comparison to the target. What we can recommend to the AtliQ so that the market all improve. For the AtliQ sales, they have to review the sales target and started the marketing campaign, so they generate the more sales for their company, and it will good for their future targets. And for some segments like networking and some countries like USA, they have to optimize the and analyze the review all the strategies and the decisions we are using in this area and what we can do for improving more further. And next one is the forecast accuracy is declining. We already discussed, like because of the COVID, the 2020 is the year, so it was declining because the people are avoiding to go to the store. And for the Amazon performance concern, we are try to remove and lessen our deductions and the discounts so that they are not faces a huge loss in the upcoming share. And for the market growths, they are AtliQ are doing good, so they have to try to build new products and innovate new products and expand their markets into the new regions. So this is all about the Business Insights 360 project. If you like my project, then and you have any suggestions and recommendation, then please share in the comment section. So thank you for watching till then.